In this video, I will show you how to install EX5 Explorer application to your smart TV or Android TV. So if you've been searching for the application, this video is for you, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to install the application. So make sure to watch right up to the end of the video to learn about it. So on your smart TV or Android TV, here's what you should do. Subscribe to your YouTube channel for more important videos like this. On your smart TV, the application that you must have in the case is called Downloader. Downloader is very useful application for smart TV and Android TV users in that it helps you search for anything, files, APKs, anything they want. You can search it on your smart TV or Android TV using Downloader. If you don't download on your smart TV, then you're losing a lot. So just check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get Downloader to your smart TV. Once you get downloaded to your smart TV, all you have to do is to launch it. The interface is very user friendly, and here's how it looks like. Here is it. All you have to do is come over to this box here and type in the code 989. So type in the right code. In most cases, you are going to see here you have to search the application, but in this case, we're not going to search the application. We're just going to type in the code 98976768. So once you type in the right code and click on go, what Downloader is going to do is that it's going to download the file to this application straight away without you having to do anything, any other thing. Just type in the code and click on go, and the application starts downloading without any stress. As I said, this is the easiest way. So subscribe to YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and share the video to someone that think might help. And also try it on your smart TV. The code is 989768. And if this works for you, in the comment section, just comment and tell me it worked for you. And if it doesn't work for you, just ask any questions in the comment section, and I'm going to reach out to you and help you get the application. As you can see, the application start downloading, and once it's done downloading, it's just going to install or ask you to install or for permission to install the application. Once it's installed, you can start using it straight away. Subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful.